Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out the channel and helps me fight off that vicious algorithm. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. It is Pin Me Up Wednesday! Yay! I reached out to Devaney over at Disney and Devaney and asked if I could participate in Pin Me Up Wednesday because your boy has been stacking up on pins as well, and I wanted a wonderful opportunity to go ahead and share them to you. And then these wonderful ladies had come up with Pin Me Up Wednesday, and I'm so honored to be a part of that. Now, again, this will not be any Disney content like I promised for February, but these are some fun pins that I wanted to go ahead and share with you going forward. As you see from the title, we are doing a blind box opening today, specifically of Sanrio, and even more specifically, this house pin puzzle. So I've never done a puzzle before, and I am so excited to get into this. I have cheated because I did already see one because I got an extra one for another order, and I just want to see what they look like, and I am pleasantly happy with them, and I hope you enjoy them as well. I have 6 in total today, so let's go ahead and get started. Box number 1. Let's see here. And it's oh, it's My Melody. She looks so stinking cute. She's in her room checking out her fit, and I love her mirror. Doesn't that look just gorgeous? And she has a little person in the shape of a heart, and then she has her, what looks like a version of her as a stuffed animal in this chair right on over, and it's just so freaking cute. I love the overall vibes of this. She's just so adorable. Super kawaii. Super cute. Box number 2. Okay, these are great because they just have the tear away here. So, oop. And we got, who do we have? Boo. Another of My Melody. Rats. Okay, box number 3. What do we have? My God. Another My Melody. This is garbage. I did not need 3 My Melodies. We are 50% of the way through this. I don't know. This definitely is not going to be a long video, so. My gosh. Yay, we have a new one. We have Pom Pom Purin. Now they are in the kitchen and they're sitting ready to eat. So stinking cute. I love his sweater. And he's holding his fork. He's so ready to dive into that food. I have a scale of him shaped like him next to the flower pot back there over the stove. Really cute. I love the color gradient on this. Okay, so not all is lost. Box number 5. Gosh, why do we do this to ourselves, y'all? Why do we even bother those blind boxes? But, yes! Woo! We have Kuromi! They are so adorable. They're hugging their buddy there. I keep forgetting his name, but it's so cute. They're on a beanbag, and they have a wastebasket next to them. I don't know why, but they have like a little figure of them on the wall. They have a heart and a little twinkle. It's just so cute. It's part of like the top floor. Very cool. Okay, y'all. This is the last box. Send me the good juju. I mean, we're not going to complete it today, but I just want a new one. And it's yes. We have Cinnamon Roll. Oh my gosh. He is so stinking cute. There he is chilling in the sala or the living room just reading away. Oh my gosh. Do you see those little... He has like little slippers in his that look like him. And these curtains here, I just love this. Such a pretty color with the blue. It's so gorgeous. I love these. So I did not end up unboxing this one on camera with y'all, but I had to see, and of course, I have the little twin stars. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. There they are having tea. And there's a kitty with them, with a star attached to them, which is really cool. And you can see the plants behind them. Oh my gosh, look at the little feet. So, so cute. I love the colors on this as well. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Okay, let's assemble them and see what they look like. Y'all, this is amazing. For my very first attempt at a puzzle pin, and I'm only missing one, which is Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. If you have an extra Hello Kitty, please hit me up. I have these two for trade. Or if you have anything else and you just love my melody and you'd like to trade, please go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram. I will go ahead and add these to my trader board. But I am so lucky that I did end up getting the 7th one for another order, because this is great. This is wonderful. I'm so happy. I mean, we all know that could have been worse. Really, getting 3 of my melodies was not putting me in the best odds whatsoever. Thank you so much for joining me. Do you collect Sanrio? Do you have any of these pins? Please let me know. Also, comment down below which one was your favorite. Do you like puzzle pins, or are they a pain in the butt? Also, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, stay tuned for more Pin Me Up Wednesdays. A huge thank you to Devney and the ladies for letting me go ahead and interlope on their wonderful pin day. And with that, be safe, tell someone you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!